Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2018 PX Ford Ranger XLS dual cab. This vehicle sustained damage in the front. This shape ran from the 6-month 2011 to current. This vehicle is fitted with a P5AT 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive. We have the left-hand power door mirror, left-hand rear door appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels, left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage, also has a tidy rear bumper cover. Factory tow bar. Right hand tail light. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel, right rear has a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. We have the right hand power door mirror. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel, right front has a good tyre. Right hand fog light and surround. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. It has a tidy center console lid, handbrake lever, tidy automatic transmission 4-wheel drive center console, sat nav and reverse camera, aircon controls, instrument cluster, left-hand sun visor, center courtesy light with sunglass holder, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, automatic 4-wheel drive. Also has a tidy black vinyl steering wheel. We have the power window master switch. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.